Hello. Today we are going to record our vocals. Some of you will be feeling nervous already, but don't be. There are many ways to sing. Think of the difference between Adele and Jay-Z, or between a heavy metal singer and your school choir. The point is for you to find your own voice, and the fact that you've already played the melody you're going to sing on the keyboard in session 3 makes it even easier. What is difficult though is getting a take with no background noise in a busy classroom. The iPad microphone is very sensitive and it will pick up noises from all around the room. So if you're not recording, be as quiet as you can, and others hopefully will be quiet when you do your own recording. Remember to stand tall, breathe deep, and believe in what you're singing. Let's go.
Here's our song, looking good. We're going to begin by playing the string cell, the guitar cell and the keyboard cell from the verse, that's the left-hand column, and singing along. And you'll notice that I've muted the audio recorder at the top. We don't really need that anymore. Ecuador, leaving today on a boat to Castleford, Scotland, better buy a coat. Now there's one bit of GarageBand that is quite tricky, and that's to line up all the cells so when you record you start the recording at the right time. So I'm going to open up an audio recorder instrument, and then I'm going to start off my loop, but I need to wait until the cycle comes back around before I start recording. So let me give you an example here. I'll start off by opening the audio recorder. There it is. And I'm going to press play and wait till it comes around and then press record at exactly the right time. So I can hear now I'm halfway through. To Castleford, Scotland, better buy a coat. Ready and record, go. Goodbye Ecuador, leaving today on a boat to Castleford, Scotland, better buy a coat. Ecuador, leaving today on a boat. Fantastic. So have a listen back to your recording once you've done it. If you're not happy with it, press undo, that's the button to the left of the rewind button, and try again. If you might be happy with it, maybe you want to do another one and then compare the two. So you can do that by going back to the live loops menu and opening the next cell along and doing it again. And if you are happy with it, then open the microphone back up. It's where it says large room, because I've put that effect on it. And on the large room effect, let's look at the two options for effects. We've got compression and reverb. Compression is a process that makes the quiet bits of a clip louder and the louder bits quieter. But in this case, it has the overall effect of making the vocals louder. If I turn it up too much, the rest of the song disappears, so be careful. The other effect here is called reverb. Reverb is short for reverberation, and it's similar to echo. It creates the effect of standing in a large echoey space like a church. Scotland, better buy a coat. Goodbye Ecuador, leaving today. Can you hear the echo there? So don't use it too much, but a little bit makes your voice sound a lot fuller and rounder. Once you've done the first one, repeat the process in new cells for the second verse and chorus. If you finish this, you can think about adding harmonies or work on a bass line. You've got the rest of the lesson to get this right. Get going!
We hope you had fun and want to sing some more. Singing is winning. Next week we're gonna improvise. See you then.